tutorial I'll show you how to create YouTube channel art, or YouTube channel banners, it's sometimes known as, using guides and safe areas. Okay, so let's get started. So step 1, open up Canva. It can be the free version of Canva or Canva Pro. Type in YouTube channel art. Yep, and it's popped up there, so we'll select YouTube channel art. And you can use a template that's already here, but we're going to create a blank YouTube banner template, just so we can set up those safe area guides. So we'll select create a blank YouTube banner. So as you can see, there's already guidelines like a ruler across the horizontal section at the top and a ruler down the side, the vertical section down here. If that wasn't showing, it's really simple. All you need to do is select File and then select Show Rulers and Guides, and then it will show you those guides. So let's get started. So step 1, we need to drag a guide from the top section here all the way down to 423. So it can be tricky to get that. So what I would suggest is that you zoom in, so Control and the plus icon to zoom in a little bit, and then we can readjust that. There we go, we've got 423. And what we need to do next is create a rectangle. So we'd go to Elements and then we'd select a square and we'd make that into a rectangle. Just click and drag those sides, and we need to move it to the top and position that so that the bottom line of that meets the top line of that guide that we created. And then what we need to do is we need to centre that, and then we need to actually select the middle icon, and then you'd move the top line to that top edge of the rectangle, and then you'd create another line beneath that which aligns with the bottom edge of that rectangle. And then we need to drag out those sides so they meet the edge of the artboard. And now we've created our desktop view safe area. So this grey area would show on desktop devices, so for example on your laptop, on your PC or on your Mac. And the whole area for the artboard, that would show on the TV device. So what we'll need to do next is create our safe area for all devices, so that we have an area that would show on mobile, desktop and TV. Okay, really simple to do. So all we need to do now is we need to create a new guide. So we're going to create a vertical guide, and this time that vertical guide needs to be 1546 across. So we'll drag this way all the way to 1546, and there we have it. Oh, let's move it along a bit more. Yep, we've got 1546, and we're going to duplicate this rectangle, so we can copy it, we can paste it, and we'll make it a different colour just for a bit of clarity. Let's make it purple, and we'll move that edge so it joins up, move it up so it aligns there. And what we're going to do now is we're going to select the purple rectangle, then select position, and then select centre. Okay, and we're going to move the guide so it matches that edge on the right hand side, and then we're going to create a new guide for the edge on the left hand side, and all of that aligns. So you now have your guide set up for your YouTube channel banner or YouTube channel art. So just to recap, so the white area, or the entire artboard area, would be visible on the TV device. The grey area would be visible on the desktop device, and the purple area would be visible on all devices, including mobiles. So now we have this set up, we can actually delete the rectangles because those have already helped us create our guide. So let's just go and delete that. Perfect. So now you have your YouTube channel art guides. So the next step now will be to start adding your channel art. So you can select templates and use a template and reposition elements on that page. So we may actually go ahead and do that now. So we'll select this template and it's dropped into our safe area guide document. And we're going to rearrange the elements so that they appear in the areas that we want them to appear in. So I would like the text to appear in the safe area for all devices, so mobile, laptop, desktop, TV. So I'm just going to rearrange those elements. I'm going to select that. I'm going to just group that so everything's together. And then I'm going to select these 3 elements. Drag in the corner to reduce the size of that. Just move that up slightly. And I'd like that button to appear beneath this section here. So I'll just rearrange that. Let's move that up slightly again. Move that up. Check the positioning so we can space it evenly, vertically and horizontally. So we'll select the vertical option and we'll group that and we can move it up as one element. Yep. And we can change the text itself. So we'll change it to lifestyle, for example. And we can change the text here. Okay, and we can change the photograph there. So select the photo, go to photos, and you can type in a keyword to find anything you would like to search for, or you can upload your own unique photos. So we'll select this one. And we'll click on that image and drop it into the section here. And I think what I would like to do as well is change the positioning of those elements. So we'll just select all of those elements, click and drag over, and then we will hold down the shift button and press the button and move that to reduce the size. Move those corners inwards and we'll reposition it about there. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is add a subscribe button. So really simple, select elements, and it's already there because I've used it. If it wasn't there, we just type in subscribe button, it will show you options in that drop down menu, and we'll just select that there. We'll drag that corner in to make it a bit smaller, and we'll drag and drop it there. So it may be nice to have it aligned slightly with that. Make it maybe a bit smaller. So drag that top corner inwards, and about there is nice. You can reposition any of the elements as you go along. Okay, and I'm going to delete these elements that we don't want. And I might even go ahead and change the background slightly. So to do that, it's really simple. You can use styles, so you can select the styles option and it will give you different variations here. Or you can change the colour by using the colour picker and changing the background and those individual elements. It's really up to you. So So we'll just go through, and maybe we'll stick with this one for now. And we can change the colour of that text, so as a contrast we'll change that to white, and we'll make it bold. Okay. We can group that section just so we can rearrange any of the elements. So I may move this up slightly. Yeah, to about there. And if you want to add a bit of interest to the background, other things you can do are adding background textures. So to do that, really simple, you can go to Elements, you can type in background texture. I'll type in linen, for example, and it's brought up a few options here. I'll select that one, just move that across, move that along, move that down, and then we'll select position to back. Okay, so that's essentially how you would utilise the safe areas for all devices, the safe area guides to reposition elements from Canva's existing templates to create a brand new YouTube channel banner or YouTube channel art. So you can keep going until you're happy with how it looks and how it works out. Have a go and explore, but there's lots of templates there that you can utilise to your own requirements. And when you're happy with that, it's really simple. All you need to do is go to Share, select Download, and keep it as a PNG. You might want to use a high quality PNG or a lower quality for a faster upload. So you would select PNG, then select Download, and it would start that process. So all you need to do now is upload your YouTube channel art to your YouTube channels. This is the exciting part now. You can actually utilise the YouTube channel banner. So to upload your YouTube channel art, it's really simple to do. So you go onto your YouTube channel and you'd select your profile icon at the top and then select your channel if you're not already on that, and then you go to Customize Channel, okay? And you go to Branding and you'll see it says Channel Customization, and then there's a banner image section. So you'd need to select Upload and upload your new banner from your downloads, the download section on your PC. So I'll let you do that now. So now that you've uploaded your YouTube channel art, it should present you with this box here, the Customize Banner Art section. So this just gives you one last chance to check that the imagery is within your safe areas. So we wanted our text to all appear in the safe area for all devices, and it does, so we're happy with that. We're happy with the layout for the viewable on desktop and viewable on TV. So once you're happy, you can select Done. If there's any changes to make, you can just edit that in Canva and bring it in again as an upload. It's really simple to do, but we'll select Done in this case. And finally, we'll select Publish, and this will publish the channel art to our channel. And then you'd select Go to Channel at the bottom. Ta-da! So here's the channel art, and you can see in the section just here, you can have your social media links, and all that's clearly visible. So yeah, that's great. So I hope that helps. It's just a quicker way of laying out your YouTube channel art and text within those guides. So save that template and you can reuse it to make more YouTube channel art. Okay, thanks for watching.